Okay, as we do percent of a number today, we these two methods I have right here, we are not going to use them yet. Okay, I'm going to introduce these in a little bit because in Savvis it has us using this method I'm about to show you that goes with this. So we're going to start over here. I'm going to put a little note here, and remember that percent is a ratio to 100. So I'm going to put my percent over 100%. Okay? And I'm going to have is over of. And this will make sense. Okay? So I have 75% of 16. So I'm going to write down what I know for certain. 75 over 100 is equivalent to, and we have is over of. Well, they tell me my of 16. Of goes with 16. My of is my denominator, so I'm going to write 16 right here. Okay? And then you can use your calculator. We're going to cross multiply and divide. Okay? Which that means is I need you to show your steps. So when you are doing these notes at home for your homework, your notes have to look like mine to receive credit for your homework. So I'm going to start by writing 75 times 16 equals. So in your calculator, you can do 75 times 16. And we get 1,200. Then we do 1,200 divided by 100. And I get 12. So I cross multiply, I take that product, and I divide by 100. Just like that. That is how each one of your examples needs to look. I now have 60% over 100% equal to is over of. They give me of 35. Okay, so I'm going to cross multiply. 60 times 35 equals 2,100. And then I'm going to take that product, 2,100 divided by 100, and I get 21. So 60% of 35 is 21. I'm going to do 3 and 4 with you. 3 and 4. Yeah, 3 and 4. So then I have 30% of 100 is equal to something over 75. So I got to find out my is. So I'm going to cross multiply. 30 times 75, and I get, oopsies, 2250. And then I'm going to rewrite that, 2250 divided by 100, and I get 22.5. All right, number 4. 24% out of 100 is equal, is, we don't know, but of 20. So I'm going to multiply 24 times 20, and I get 480, and then 480 divided by 100 is 4.8. Don't be afraid of a decimal. On your own, which I must see on your table Monday morning, included is 5, 6, 7, and 8 done on your own. Okay, so go to your second page. So you're turning it over, and I'm just pulling mine out. So you can also do Number 9 on your own. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10. So we're going to trust the process. I'm going to come back over here and put my percent out of 100% is equal to is over of. Okay, so trusting the process, 120% of 80. So 120 times 80 is 9,600. 9,600 divided by 100 gives me 96. So note, whoops, 96. So pay attention to this. So 120% of 100 is going to be greater. This percentage will be greater than what we have as of. So that means, because my 120% is greater than 100%, so your is over of, your is going to be greater than that because it's more than 100%. So it's going to be more than 80. Number 11, we have 175 over 100, trusting the process. Okay. Cross multiply. 175 times 64 equals 11,200, and then 11,200 divided by 100 gives me 112, where again my percent is greater than 100, so my numerator here is going to be greater than 100. I want you to do number 12 on your own. Okay, so I'm going to circle those ones, and I'll put it in our Google Classroom. Okay, we have some word problems. I'm going to do 3, and you're going to do 3. Ari took a test with 80 questions and got 85% of them correct. How many did she get correct? So I see 85%. I'm going to start with what I know. 85 over 100. Okay. Her test had 80 questions. So that's all of them together. So that's going to be on my denominator. So the question is, how many questions is 85% of 80? So 85 times 80 equals 6,800. 6,800 divided by 100 gives you 68. So 68 questions were answered to get an 80, or answer correctly to get an 85%. Beth saves 15% of her paycheck each week. If her paycheck was $280, how much will she save? I know 15% over 100 equals 280. $4,200. Oops, I didn't write that down, did I? 15 times 280. 4,200. And then 4,200 divided by 100 gives me 42. So now we got to know, what does that 42 mean? Well, the question is, how much will she save? So I'm going to write over here $42. So I want you to be able to tell me what this is, okay? Number 15, a salesman makes 6% commission on the sale of an appliance. What will he make if he sells an $800 dishwasher? I'm going to make that correct. So 6% out of 100. And the dishwasher is $800. So 6 times 800 gives me 4,800. 4,800 divided by 100 gives me 48. And again, what does that 48 mean? If we don't know, go back and read. So makes a commission, a 6% commission, which is cash. What will he make if he sells an $800 dishwasher? He will make $48. You need to do 16, 17, and 18. Okay. So, and restating again, you got to do 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then do 9, 12, 16, 17, and 18. And I'll put that in our Google Classroom.